Laptops. We're gonna be trying to fix a laptop today, but I'm not alone. My buddy Purple Wizard is here, and he's gonna be fixing this laptop. I'm also gonna try to help, but I probably won't be the best at it. You know, let's just get started.
Fix it. Could take a while, maybe. It probably won't. It's just a laptop, you know.
Oh my gosh, what kind of screw hole is that?
That's Torx. About to get a royal treat called random funny man bullshit. You know me, doing jank-ass solutions to problems that never would have existed in the first place if I hadn't meddled with it.
You want to use this one?
I'm just using it for... That one's way nicer, but I don't need it. Oh, that fits in so nice.
That's what she said.
Shut the f*** up! I knew it! I heard it! Oh, this is a really nice screwdriver.
The power of iFixit.
It is. I can't wait for Mr. Linus Sex Tips to make a... to make his version of the screw. I know it's coming. I've signed up for the pre-order.
Is that all the screws?
It should be. It's a shockingly low amount of screws for a major laptop manufacturer.
Big reveal.
What's holding it in place? There's something.
It's a ribbon cable?
No, they're clips.
Oh, there we go. Big reveal. Oh, what the? That's a giant ass battery.
Just pretend that the shot was perfect.
That is a huge battery. What in the hell? Big battery. Oh.
Keep in mind, I need to give this back to him. But, I need to get a picture of the battery for him because he wanted to see what it was like.
Yeah.
I can't see anything wrong with it on first glance. Like, he just said it was overheating.
There's probably too much crap stuck in the vents.
Look how small the intake is. Yeah, he wonders why it's overheating. Because he bought a f***ing HP. He already thinks he's not getting this thing back, so, well, time to remove the battery.
Does he really not think he's getting this back?
He really doesn't.
Huh.
It's not his lack of faith in me, it's just his lack of faith in HP. Does that make sense?
Yes, that does make sense, actually.
That's slot sense, so... Nope. Can we have a she said counter, like, somewhere in the video when you're done editing this? I was under the assumption that I would need to do more to this thing to fix it, but it already looks like this thing looks pristine under the hood. And I don't know why.
Do you think the battery is, like, glued into the chassis?
Oh, if it is, I need to send a cease and desist. No, I can't send a cease and desist.
I mean, you can't. Apple does the same damn thing.
Yeah.
It's not. Whoa.
HP.
HP, you do something good for once.
I mean, they're kind of like Ford. They make terrible, shitty products, but you can fix it yourself.
The cable is still connected.
No, it's not.
Is that what that is?
No, it's not. No, it's not.
That is the battery connector, bro.
No, it's not. 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 No, it's... See? No, it's not. I'm gonna impale the battery with my long-ass nails. See? No, it's not.
What else is it connected to? Oh, there we go.
See? No, it's not.
Bro, why did they No, hang on. Why do you engineer a computer where the speaker cable goes inside the battery casing? HP?
I think it's for cable management.
If it's for cable management, how come the other speaker doesn't have a fucking wire coming out of it?
Cable management.
Unscrewing the SSD.
She SS on my D.
Till I Windows.
She SS on my D until I Linux.
What's the capacity of this?
Quality check says okay.
Not great, just okay.
Ooh. Wow. What a high bar. What do I have to do to remove this cooler? I might have to remove like this,
Oh.
What the? That's not supposed to be there.
Oh,
Oh, that's just the casing for the screw. Oh, it's gonna be covered up anyways. He won't know.
Oh, no.
Guys, I'm a great repairman.
So great.
Can't wait. I can't wait for Lucifer to watch this video, only for them to see me being a complete and utter dipshit repairing this horrible product.
You want to know something?
You can go on the battery.
This SSD does not say the storage capacity.
Oh, probably because it's Toshiba Memory Corporation. Yeah, that's most likely them working in close contact with Toshiba, and probably being under the assumption that, you know, they'll never ever have to let someone see this. Well, someone's seeing it right now, so that was clearly false.
Yeah, we're now seeing this.
The fans look fine. He doesn't have any pets. He doesn't have any he never used this on a bed or fabric surface, he said. Said he shared it with his mom, but that she never he said she might have used it with a blanket on the couch. But that doesn't seem like nearly enough to f***ing destroy a laptop, like how he said to this
Maybe one of the fans
caliper.
are broken.
Should we power it on to see what happens?
I mean, we already took out like almost everything, and by everything I mean the SSD and battery.
Well, the SSD can just be slotted in. Is that where it went? Yeah, I think so. Who cares?
Wow, look at that engineering.
What does it use for power? Oh, it uses USB-C. A charger that you famously do not have.
I do have.
Ooh!
I bought a Quest, remember?
Oh, that's right. Because I watch your videos. It won't blow up. The battery's not in it.
Will it even turn on?
Ooh, that's... Does it have the sensors that keeps you from turning it on when the back plate's off?
It does not turn on.
Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, cool. Well,
we're inserting the battery.
Yippee. No, because I want to mess with the cooler. I would like to try to remove the Mobo.
Wow, we're really gutting this thing, huh?
Yes. Let me recreate that for your viewers. This cable was in, and then it went, bye-bye.
How hollow is this bottom plate?
Can you say...
Oh, it weighs like nothing.
Can you say blowjobs on YouTube?
Probably not.
Oh my god, there's so many things holding things in place. Oh, that's just the USB connection. Is that a thing I can lift up and disconnect? No. Look at how many different screws there are. HP.
Look how many screws.
Why couldn't this f***er have just bought a framework?
My friend literally bought a framework.
I want to get the framework 16.
My friend, okay, so my friend bought a framework and put Linux on it.
That's valid. I 100% understand that. No, but like, do you know how many people just don't want a laptop from a big manufacturer like that? Like, there are so many people that want to buy a laptop but don't want to have to deal with all the big people's shit. Like, I get it. I want to do that. Well, because as you can clearly tell, this is just a hunch, but I might be an advocate for self-repair.
I mean, so am I. Have you seen the videos I complained about newer Apple products not being repairable?
Yeah? Oh, that's the Wi-Fi card.
Cool, we're gonna short it out and have it not work anymore.
So, a lot of older laptops I've worked on have had separate M.2 Wi-Fi cards. Even cheaper ones I've seen recently have M.2 Wi-Fi cards. So.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
Okay.
Okay.
What are you Gagoinguses doing up there in HP?
Oh, we make high quality products.
Yummy. Oh yeah, high quality product, my ass. You and I, when I got this laptop.
When was this laptop even introduced?
It's got an 8th gen i7, so it's I think the same. My MacBook is an 8th gen i5. Guys, don't buy a MacBook. Take it from this guy. No, I'm kidding.
If you do get a MacBook, at least get a 2015 at the earliest, or at the latest, I should say. Because you could still swap out the SSD if it shuts down.
Yeah, there's issues with performance, like I guarantee at least one of your viewers out there is gonna want to like sit back, relax, and play a game or two. You can't really do that on newer MacBooks, unfortunately. Oh, you can lift that up.
Was that a ribbon cable too?
Yeah. I realized that was a question.
Yeah.
What is that a rhythm cable to? Yeah.
Yeah.
I do that so many times a day, like ironically. That was the first time ooh, that's not a fun sound. That's like a tearing Velcro noise. Okay, I thought I broke it. The first Feline Fixes YouTube channel to feature a fixing by someone who is not a furry.
True. The fan cable still
Look,
connected.
yeah, I know. Oh, it's the same as the... There we go. Popped out. So, good to know. That is actually an intake, not a speaker. That's pretty cool. I still don't see why this thing was overheating.
Probably because it's like razor thin with barely any room to breathe.
Yeah, but he said it was like, because he showed me in class today, it was, he opened Google Chrome, and the fans ramped up to 100% usage and wouldn't go back down, and the laptop was scalding hot to the touch. It could be a software issue.
Was it Windows 10, Windows 11?
Windows 10. So, my PC decided to auto-update to Windows 11.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, I'm downgrading this weekend, hopefully, if all goes to plan.
How do you feel that Windows 10 only has a year and a half left of support?
Kill yourself, Microsoft. Can you put that in? Are you able to? I don't think so. Dude, this screw right here. Am I able to disconnect? Oh, I can. Okay, that's good to know.
Oh,
That connects to the Wi-Fi antennas.
that looked so much worse than it actually was. And that sounded so much worse.
Yep.
If this breaks, I'm putting this on r/tech support gore. Uh-huh.
Get out. Fucker. Get the out of the computer. Don't tear it. Got it. What are you... Oh, that's the hinge. I don't want to mess with that. HP hinges casually being the worst thing to ever be made.
Is there even any, like, dust?
No, there was no dust. There, like, at whatsoever. It is one of the cleanest laptops I've ever worked on. Okay, so the main reason why I just wanted to, like, disassemble this was just so that I could see if there's any dust or anything I'm missing. This thing is spotless. Okay, so this one goes here. You go here. I'm gonna reassemble it and...
Turn it on.
Yeah.
So the answer is we don't know.
Yes.
It's probably just the way the cooling system was made, or the lack of.
Yeah. Because this laptop is razor thin. Just kidding, it's HP thin. What was it with laptop manufacturers years ago? Just like not wanting to cool their fucking devices.
Passive cooling.
On a laptop?
What is it? The M1 MacBook Air doesn't have a fan. It's pretty thin.
Yeah, but it uses an ARM processor. This uses an 8th gen i7.
At least it's not a G5 Power PC.
You're so right.
They literally couldn't make a PowerBook G5 because the G5 processors ran so hot.
What screws screwed into this part of them? What if I just don't put screws back in this thing? Do you have a good day at work? Who goes to church on fucking Friday? Someone answer in the comments if you go to church on Friday. I'm curious. Genuinely curious. Not even trying to joke around. I'm genuinely curious on who goes to church on Friday. Honestly, there aren't many people anymore that just go to church and why do I just say stuff that's so comically wrong? I just remembered that mega churches exist. So anyways, furries, am I right? Those silly goobers. I don't like talking to the camera. I can't even look up to tell if like if I'm in shot because I'm f***ing blinded by the... Ooh, I'm blinded by the light. Yeah, I'm immediately blinded by this guy's f***ing lamp all the way up here that just blinds me to no end. I'm not a huge laptop fan, considering like how bad companies like HP and Microsoft are when it comes to fixing general stuff like batteries. Like, batteries are consumables. They should be things that you should repair on your own. That's like if you couldn't fucking replace your milk carton without having to send in your fridge to Samsung to get it fixed. Okay, well, this screw is stuck now. The wrong screw, I believe. There we go. That's what you use.
What's going on?
Just adding screws back into the case.
Ah.
I'm pretty sure this one is wrong. How many screws did the battery have? It had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 missing.
To be fair, you did use one for the SSD. Oh no, it's gone.
Oh, you're right. I don't know where else to add a screw. Because these sections right here... Wait, can that fit one of those? Nope. I don't know where I put stuff. Like where I put extra... Where I took out screws and where I put stuff back. I mean, but are you even really a technician if you don't end the job with more screws than when you started?
Or less.
That's true. And then up here, okay, well the battery's back in, but like now what? Can you go? Okay, you go in there. I didn't think anything went in there though. Oh, what do I know? Hewlett Packard made this laptop. You know how low of a bar that is?
Pretty low.
Yep. What else did I take out that I can put back in? I genuinely do not know.
Donut to know.
Donut know. There's just this one screw. This is the last screw.
Well, we have a screw that we don't know what it goes to.
I mean, the best way to tell is if it turns on.
That is true.
I mean, it's a laptop. How badly could I f it up?
We can turn it on, but have the screen face it, or have the screen on the mat.
Oh, it's one of those foldable laptops, so I can just fold the screen back, actually.
Oh, it's on. Power lights came on. Oh, the fans aren't happy though.
I wouldn't be either if I was in an HP machine. Backlight's on.
Oh,
BIOS. Let's see. And we'll be rebooted. Please check your BIOS setup options. Okay.
Enter reboot the system.
It's cool that it has a software keyboard on there.
Yeah, the fans are not working.
That explains everything.
So the fans just straight up don't work.
Yeah. You can hear them trying to spin.
Yeah, this one over here was trying to spin up, but it couldn't. What he needs is replacement fans.
Yeah.
And they shouldn't be expensive, right?
Problem is trying to get them.
Does it go all the way back? Oh, it does. Look at this beautiful display. I just had a realization.
What?
Why didn't we just pop off the back panel
Mm-hmm.
and turn it on before we took it apart?
Because I did that at home.
Oh.
I peeked through as like it was open slightly.
Oh.
Because you know how the screws are right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could peek it up a little bit and see, and the fans didn't spin up. They're trying so hard. Yeah, you can see it jutted a bit.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, let's
Think
put the
it's-
back cover back on, and then I'm gonna put it back in my bag and tell them what's up.
Sorry, we couldn't fix your computer. Ooh.
Crunchy.
I'm gonna have to blur all of that out.
Oh yeah, you are. Sorry. Why won't you clip together? Oh, there we go. Forgot to do an outro. F*** you, HP.